2022 saw us build momentum during the year, and our focus was very much on regaining operational stability and targeting incremental performance improvement. In the meantime, the world around us saw considerable disruption from the effects of the pandemic, an energy crisis and its associated inflation rises, extreme weather, and disrupted supply chains and labor markets. Now, when I reflect on the year, a major highlight was in September, when we delivered our first copper production at Quellaveco, which is our new mine in Peru. This world-class asset was commissioned on time and on budget, despite the impact of COVID, and thanks to the extraordinary efforts of our colleagues and the local support that we received. Looking at the year as a whole, our focus was ensuring consistent performance across our operations, and that starts with the safety and health of our employees, and making progress on our full set of sustainability ambitions, including our 2040 carbon neutral operations commitment. We are making progress across the board, and in May 2022, we put the world's largest hydrogen-powered haul truck to the test, part of our new-gen zero-emission haulage solution, at our Mogalakwena PGMs mine in South Africa. By converting our entire haul truck fleet to hydrogen power, we would reduce our total Scope 1 emissions by 10 to 15%. We also continued to work with partners in the steel industry to support the transition to lower carbon steel production technology, which would transform our Scope 3 and, of course, their Scope 1 emissions. In recent years, our shipping team, part of our marketing business, has been pioneering new approaches to decarbonizing the maritime industry, setting an ambition to reach carbon neutrality across our controlled ocean freight activities by 2040, with an interim 30% reduction in emissions by 2030. The recent commissioning of our new LNG dual-fuel chartered fleet is a cornerstone of this strategy. We have also worked with our partners in Australia to put in place agreements which mean that from 2025, we expect to be drawing 60% of our global electricity requirements from renewable resources, having already moved to 100% renewables across our South America footprint. Again, this will be transformational for our Scope 2 emissions. We are making good progress reducing our fresh water usage where it matters the most. For our Los Bronces copper mine in Chile, we have secured a desalinated water supply from 2025, meeting almost half of the mine's water requirements. This is the first phase of a larger and a longer-term integrated water project to eliminate our use of fresh water at Los Bronces.